right, class. So what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be talking about the environment and technology. So the technology and the environment. I'm just going to go by here really quick for us to see what's involved today. So here we have Tuesday, green technologies, okay? And so today we're going to be going over a PowerPoint in which I'll post another video regarding that PowerPoint on a separate video. But today we'll be discussing green technologies. All the information that we'll be discussing today will be found in the technology and environment folder in the contents. So today the task for you is going to be completing green technology assignment. Okay, so let's go back there. Let's go back to content. I just want to show you where everything is located here. So if we go to the technology and the environment, today we're particularly talking about green technology. So that's if you click that right here. Okay, what I'm going to have you do first, this is what I would have done while you're waiting as you're coming into D2L. I would post this video in the chat box, and so you're going to go ahead and watch this video. It just kind of gives us a good overview of green technologies and how our planet is affected. Okay, so you're going to watch that. And then if you click on the second tab here under green technologies on the left, it's going to provide you with the PowerPoint presentation. And I'll add that PowerPoint presentation in another video. This way this one doesn't run out of time. Okay, so after you watch that first video, you're going to be reviewing the lesson. Okay, and then after the lesson, at the end of the lesson, you have a task that you're going to complete, and that is found in the assignments folder. Okay, so let me just change to student view so I can see what you view. Okay, so you're going to go all the way down to green technology. Okay, and you're going to click on that, and it's going to ask you, it's going to tell you what you're going to be doing. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is using Microsoft Word document. Okay, you're going to create a table to list 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of each of the following technologies. So here I have listed a hybrid car, an electric car, solar car, fuel cell, wind power, which is a wind turbine, and solar power. Okay, so if I just open up a Word document, okay, let's just go new. Okay, I'm just going to minimize the screen and put it next to our assignment here. Okay, and then so what it's asking is to create a table. Okay, so how to do that, you could just go insert, and then you're going to insert a table. So in this case, we're just going to want to list advantages and disadvantages, and then we want to list also all the technologies. So I'm going to do 3 columns, and then I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. Okay, so what I will do is I'll write technologies. This is what you'll do. Sorry, you're going to write advantages, disadvantages. Okay, and then you're going to list the technology. So hybrid car, electric car, and so on and so forth. So solar car, yada, yada, yada. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go online or refer back to the PowerPoint presentation on green technologies, and you're going to list me 3 advantages. Oops. 1, 2, 3, and 3 disadvantages. 1, 2, 3 of each of these technologies. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to, after you have all these technologies listed as their advantages and disadvantages, wind power, solar power. Okay, what you're going to do, the next part of that is underneath here, once this is all complete, you're going to, on the same Word document, you're going to choose one of the 6 technologies and further research that technology. So I'm just going to select hybrid car, for instance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write hybrid car, because that's the one I'm going to look into. And I'm going to complete and answer these questions. So the first one, it says the technology name. So I can just list that right there. Hybrid car. 2, description of the technology. So in 1 to 2 paragraphs. So I'm going to go on Google, right? And I'm going to research what a hybrid car is. So if I just quickly go here and I write hybrid car. Okay. Maybe a hybrid car, actually it's right here within Wikipedia. I'm going to research this, okay? And then I'm going to find what a hybrid car is, okay? You can use your own words, or if you use parts of the internet, you're going to have to just source your page. You're going to have to give me this website as to where you found it. I just, for the heck of it, just to show you, I'm just going to copy this, okay? Let me open this back up here. Okay, and I'm going to write what it is right there. Number 2, that's what it's asking, okay? Number 3, when and where the technology was discovered. So then you're going to further research that. So you're going to go onto Google again, and you're going to write, when was the hybrid vehicle discovered? Okay, you're going to find that research. It's probably, in this case, within that Wikipedia document. Okay, and you're going to tell me where it was discovered. What country was that discovered in? Okay, when and where discovered. You're going to write that down. So number 4 is going to ask you who discovered or invented that technology. So then you're going to research that, and you're going to write inventor's name. Okay, you're going to write that down. Number 5 is going to say 3 pictures of various versions of the technology. So you're just going to go, you're going to write, back in here, you can write hybrid cars. You can go to images. That's where you can find them. And you're going to just select 3 images of whatever technology you chose, and you're going to copy and paste that. I'm just going to copy this right here because I have 4 in here. You're going to copy and paste that image onto the same Word document, okay? And then number 6, all number 6 is just sourcing your information of where you found that information, okay? So all the websites. So in this case, I don't know, let's just say this was a website that I found. You're just going to copy it, and you're going to paste all the websites that you found, okay? So that is what is expected of you for the green technology assignment. Okay, you're going to first write, create a chart and tell me the advantages and disadvantages of each of these technologies here. And then you're going to choose one of those technologies and answer these questions based on that technology. Okay, then you're going to save this, and you're going to go back to here, and you're going to add the file right here. You're going to add the file wherever you saved it. Okay, and you're going to submit it, and that will be done. Okay, good luck.